a small town, but
Ooh, espresso.
You want to buy one?
Oh.
You want to one?
now they know espresso here. Yeah, this is small.
Turn left.
Just keep going.
No, just keep going because we're just the what do I call this? The
In
GPS.
1,000 feet, turn left.
Just showing us how to go.
Yeah, this is Manzanita. It's just gonna direct you
To the
Just
downtown or something like
Yeah,
that.
something like
So
that.
we just keep going straight.
Yeah, let's go. Keep straight. Let's find a spot where we can have beach access there.
Oh, they have done small jet ski.
There's a public parking here, Papa, right?
Yeah,
I do remember.
There should be. There's every beach access has a public access. Okay.
You can
So
just
let's see. 1 second.
Google it. Parking. Because it's pretty much. This is pretty much.
Subdivision.
Yeah, houses.
Okay, so let's go. Turn.
So I could just follow this, and then we're gonna go on the ocean road. So let's turn left here.
Left here.
Okay.
And then we're gonna turn right there, and then we're gonna go to the ocean
Try to
road.
find a for sale house now.
Yeah, you have to.
And then today we're gonna sign up.
El Trio
Purchase.
Loco.
El Trio Loco.
Manzanos.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay.
So we can park here. Is it paid
Yeah.
or?
I'm so sure. Let's see.
I think we can park
Yeah,
here.
we can park somewhere.
I
Or you want
remember
to
this
go
that we
around?
walked this way, and then
Oh,
there
there's
is.
a parking spot there.
No, it's
Oh.
a hotel.
Oh, police.
There's a big access there.
Oh, this one is.
Yeah, the beach access. So we can just park in the side
There's
street
a big
right
access there. Yeah.
A parking spot is available, probably on that back of the white car.
Can
Yeah.
you fit in there?
I think so.
I can fit
Is it-
in there.
oh, it's
I
two-
can
is it
absolutely
two
fit in there.
There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Let's go.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's really for us. They just want to wait.
I forget my disposable.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take my jacket.
A like and subscribe. We very much appreciate it. And smash that notification button that would notify you every time we upload awesome videos like this one. So we're at Manzanita Beach, August 28, 2022. As you can hear, it is incredibly windy, and it was a very cold wind coming from the ocean. The water was also very cold, but the main reason was the wind, and this is why we both put jackets on, me and my wife. I didn't go swimming. If it wasn't for the wind, I would have gone in. Yes, the water is very cold. I would still would have jumped in. When we walked away from the beach and into the town, between the buildings where it's not windy, it was actually a very nice and warm day. It was about 20 degrees, sunny, but the wind was horrible, and this is why I couldn't jump in. Now, I was surprised how cold it was. Weather was very similar to Tofino, and Tofino is like almost 1,000 kilometers up north from here.
How was it? It's on the bag. Paper, plastic bag.
Despite it being so cold in August, this is an incredibly beautiful beach, and so is Tufino. We do have a video about Tufino on our channel. It's one of our older videos. We were there in 2018, I believe, or maybe even before that, 2017. We were there beginning of September, so a little bit later than this. A little bit later in the year, that is, just by a few days. Manzanita Beach.
You like the beach?
I like the beach. It's a little bit cold though.
Show them the beach.
So, beach, look at it. Big, beautiful waves. And it's a little too windy.
Are you going
Too
to?
windy for my liking.
Are you going into the water just to
No.
go deep? Oh, you're not that like that. You always test the water,
I
right?
tested it.
You want Alex go in the water?
Ankles. That's,
Oh,
that's about it.
they want to go you in the water. You want Alexa? They said yes. So let's go. That's the what's it called?
If it wasn't windy like it is, I would go in the water.
So we're eating now. I tried to find some shell, but there's no shell. It's so windy.
Hi. Right tide and high tide is like over there. Low tide is right now. Kind of like Tufino.
Tufino, there's this little ship. It's very, very windy and cold. How is the sand? Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Ano feeling to coffee? I told you.
Yeah. I told you. I jinxed you. I'll try the other one.
Pretty much not busy then.
Express. Trying to look for express.
There's one we drove by.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open for Para magkano ba dito dito?
Ano? I want shopping, not coffee. Espresso?
I don't.
Are you getting some coffee?
No, I'm not.
Coffee. Why?
It's only
Espresso?
Are you guys hungry or you wanna eat or we can just eat when we get back?